seeing all the, examining my statement, Nagaon lower court have granted me bail within 15 days. But on that day, whenever Nagaon lower court granted me bail, on that day, state government denied to release me, and they have made an order that I have been detained in Nagaon Central Jail under NSA because if I go outside, then the social peace cannot be maintained. But it was only revenge of the state government that I criticized the state government very badly in the last budget session in March and April. And the government is revengeful only due to my continuous criticism to the for the government due to their failure for maintaining the financial or economic condition of the state, and to maintain to develop the socio-economic status of the state, and to promote health sector and education sector in the state. Only I criticize the government and they have to revenge on me. A power is in the hand of Chief Minister that he can detain anybody under NSA Act. So he misused his power. But I thank and I am grateful to the Honorable Guwahati High Court that they have given me justice. And on the day before yesterday, the Honorable Guwahati High Court has passed a verdict that the detention order was illegal and I was detained illegally without any valid cause, and they ordered the government to release me immediately. And after having the verdict of Guwahati High Court, I have been released. But I demand that the Chief Minister of Assam, being the Home Minister, he is responsible to detain me for more than 7 months in Nagaon Central Jail, and it was a great loss for the citizens of my constituency. The people of my constituency was deprived from so many development works. So, the Honorable, our Chief Minister should beg pardon to the apology to the people of my constituency, because he have committed intentionally and he has done it revengefully and without any valid reason. So, the Chief Minister should beg apology to the people of my constituency, Dhing constituency. I demand it.
Today you have participated in the last day of the session?
Yes, I